How to solve ARK Survival Evolved app black screen problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your ARK application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to the Play Store application and search for ARK Survival Evolved app. Now here you can see the app is updated to its latest version and there are no options of update. So it means that the app is updated to its latest version on this device. So I'm going to go back and tap on settings. Then I'm going to tap on apps and select manage apps. Now you can just scroll down and find the application ARK. So just scroll down and make sure that you clear the data. You can see you can just tap on clear data and clear cache. After that, what we can do is just tap on the power button and restart the device. So this also solves a lot of issues. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.